how to make the best decision every single time in your life. So what happens is many times we are just stuck in a situation and we are feeling very much anxiety, we are feeling overwhelmed, like what should we do right now, what should we do? And in the midst of this, all of this anxiety and stress, you just can't understand what should we do. So the thing that we need to do is we have to go somewhere in our brain and pull out the solution. Okay, so you must be thinking, wow, how the hell are we going to do this? So basically there are 5 levels of your brain which are called brain waves. I'll make it super simple for you, okay, so that you can understand. The highest one, so when I say the highest one, it has the highest frequency and it also has the highest number of thoughts. Okay, so the highest one is gamma, below it is beta, okay, below it is alpha. Okay, this is the one we are targeting in this video, alpha waves. Below it is theta, and the most underneath is delta waves, the slowest one. And these delta waves are basically the ones in which you are sleeping already. So we have to go in the alpha waves, okay, the middle one, because in these waves your left brain and right brain are working equally, and suddenly you'll get some pop-ups in your brain, just like notifications. You'll get some pop-ups just as you get notifications in your phone. You'll get pop-ups in your brain, and then you can just choose what do you need to do with it. Okay, so how do we go into alpha levels? First of all, you don't have to be too much stressed about the situation, because if your stress is very high, you'll be in beta waves or gamma waves, and we don't want that. So what you'll do, first thing is just letting go and understanding that there is a solution and it is already in your brain. Okay, so every problem that you have, there is a solution for it already in your brain, and your brain is trying to instruct you into a direction that go towards this place, go towards this place. So we just have to listen to our subconscious impulse. For that, we have to make our thoughts less in our brain, okay, so that we can go down to alpha waves. Ignore the noise you can hear behind me or in the background, because I can't do anything about it. So just lie down, maybe on a bed or on a comfortable chair, relax, and start counting from 100 to 1 backwards. Okay, 100, 99, 98 in your mind. So what will happen is, because you're doing it, you will stay in the present moment, and because you'll be in the present moment, the many thoughts about past and future will just go away from your brain. Okay, you'll let go of them. So then just put in the intention of the problem, that this is the problem that I'm trying to solve, and then what will happen is you just have to lie down or just stay in your chair and let go of everything, and soon you'll get some pop-ups that I can do this, I can do this, I can do that. This is also called divergent thinking. Okay, so you'll get many ideas, then you have to choose which idea that you are going to follow about a specific situation. So you just follow that impulse that you get. Okay, you might think at that point that no, I'm just guessing this is not impulse, but most probably you have to practice it to get it more, because when you practice it a lot and you start getting solutions, you'll know how it feels like. And somehow when you just meditate, this is a form of meditation. Okay, when you keep on doing this, counting from 100 to 100 to 100 to 1, your brain waves will go even lower. At one point you might go down to theta and delta waves also while staying awake. So in that state you'll start imagining and seeing stuff, but this is kind of rare and you need to be a high level meditator for this. Basically you have to surrender and let go more to see more of this. But going into alpha waves is pretty easy, so you can do that too. Get some impulses from your own subconscious brain, that what are the things that you need to do to form or to create a solution to a particular problem. Your brain will send you to a particular direction, that this is what you need to do. Okay, I'll suggest you a few books that you can read for this topic. Okay, you can just look in the description for the links and you can buy it from there. The first book is Hyper Focus, second book is Letting Go. This is not totally related to solving a problem, but letting go will somehow help you in this meditation that I told you, and you'll understand how it's working. And the third book will be Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway. This is also a more of an action taking book, because after you get the impulse, you have to do something about it. So you can just go into the description and buy those books, and comment down what are your thoughts about these topics and about about these, meditations and impulses and all these stuff. And if you have any suggestions that what should I make next, what should I create for you that particularly you want me to make, you can just comment down. Like the video if you found it interesting in any way. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.